So those are the visuals we're getting in from News9's global summit that's set to kick off in Germany. It's a platform we're bringing together policy makers, decision makers in terms of business, and also important voices from entertainment and sports sector. So we're going to have multiple sessions lined up throughout the day where important voices are going to come on this stage. One stage, in fact, they're going to talk about Indo-German ties, how we can take this collaboration to another level. And also, all right, let's take it across to my colleague Shweta Kothari, who's present in Germany. Shweta, do tell us what's the atmosphere on ground.
Are very relevant given the current global turmoil that we are going through, and also we end up with an outstanding dinner venue, which is the Newcastle. So the whole experience, I believe, that would be something once in a lifetime kind of experience for everyone who has come from India and also everyone who's joining us from all over the world.
All right. You know, I've spoken to a lot of our guests since morning, and everybody's very excited about how some of these themes are very concurrent. They're very thematic and relevant and pertinent to changing global times. You've been preparing for it for months now. You know, what was the thought process that went behind planning?
Yes, this time for once we've started a preparation, very unlike for any Indian company, maybe about 9 months back. We've decided the date, we've selected the venue, everything was done well in advance, which we don't do. And I keep saying that we, in India, mostly we start things pretty late. And then we scramble through and get whatever we set out to get eventually. Okay. So we started early. So themes have emerged, you know, over the last 6 months, whatever has happened in the world. So a couple of times we went back to the drawing board and reworked on our theme. And then finally, as you rightly said, and I said in the opening statement, that the themes are all very relevant at this point in time. And you know what, a neutral platform like a media network, when we pick up such themes and we bring about the stakeholders and the decision makers from both the countries, drawing from all the fields, be it policy makers, politicians, or industry captain. So that goes a long way. And in Germany, especially because, you know, football is everything. So we do it in association with Pvt Stuttgart Club, who is nowadays is pretty high-ranking club here in Germany. So we get this reverberation of what we do here across Germany through the football fraternity. So one of the things special that had happened this year is we had 3 rounds of curtain raiser. As you know, that we started in Berlin on 6th, then 7th we went to Munich, and then yesterday we were at Karlsruhe. So today, after 3 rounds of curtain raiser, so we hit today. So we are actually this year going beyond Stuttgart, and we're trying to create an impact across the entire Germany to start with, and next year, who knows, we'll be...
I have to ask you, because this is an important question, and we've done, what, 3 international conferences now? This is the 4th one here, the 2nd edition in Germany. What is in your mind? Where are we going next?
Oh, we were thinking of going to the US next, but which we held back. But other places in Europe definitely are options. So Europe as a bloc, European Union as a bloc is very important for India as a trading partner. So we're keeping that in mind. So we would like to elevate ourselves beyond Germany, spread ourselves beyond Germany, and either other countries like France, Spain and all, which are strategically important for us, or at the EU level at Brussels. So these are this is what we are toying with, and in fact we would go back to the drawing board tonight itself as soon as we wind up today's press release.
No rest for the devil before I let you go. You know, we've done Germany, we've done Dubai, we've done Abu Dhabi, we're back in Germany. And, you know, a lot of TV9 employees, for that matter, say, you're not resting, you're not letting us rest. What is driving this strategy?
No, I think, as I always believe, that work is worship, so working is rest. As far as I'm concerned, I rest while I'm working. Right. I don't know whether it's an unfair expectation from my colleagues like you. Finally, I think I must say that everyone has actually stretched themselves beyond 200%. It is not easy. You know, hundreds of kilos of equipments that come from India just to maintain the cost low because the local market is very expensive. And people have worked, I think, round the clock for quite some time. So otherwise, it is impossible to come to a venue like this. And as you know, when you'll do the walkthrough, it's a football stadium, and we're utilizing a football stadium, barring the ground, the entire football stadium, various halls. So it's a humongous effort which has gone behind it. So kudos to my team, and I think they've mastered it now. They just go ahead, do it every time.
You're being kind. Thank you very much. The man behind all the planning and all the execution that you see here today. Also telling us what inspires him and what's driving us as the network, which is now expanding our wings and reaching out more and more places. The action will begin here in just a few minutes from now. Stay tuned. You are watching News 9.